Exposure. Exposure is the amount of light that you allow to pass through your camera. Overexposure means the image is overexposed when there is too much light hitting the sensor. This will lead to some or all of the image going completely white. The opposite of overexposure is underexposure. The image is underexposed when there is not enough light hitting the sensors. This will lead to some or all of the image going completely black. To control the exposure, simply touch the screen and a square appears. Wherever you place the square, the exposure and focus will be based on what you tap on. To lock the focus and exposure, tap and hold the square until the lock exposure symbol appears.